me on a journey to the city of Takasaki, about an hour from Tokyo. Takasaki is known for its giant bodhisattva statue and its Dharma dolls. But its best kept secret is its cat cafes. In Japan, there are many animal cafes, which are a great way to enjoy animals if you can't have them in your home. The first location we'll visit is called Moth Animal Cafe, a chain whose Takasaki location is located in a mall just outside Takasaki Station. At this cafe, you can only order a drink, not food. You take your drink into the cat room, and you can sit and play wherever you like. They put the lid on for you to make sure it doesn't get knocked over. But they let you take a picture with it first. If you get any sort of latte art, a digital photo of one of the cats actually residing at that cat cafe is printed on it. Thank you. You can buy cat food, or just have a very nice person offer you his. As you can see, you become very popular once you have food. Let's go on a tour of this cafe. There are alcove rooms with various decor, cubby rooms with lots of toys, secret passageways with hidden stuff and litter boxes. You can find cats in all sorts of places and doing all sorts of cute things. Sometimes you'll even see groups of cats and a ferret. Alright, let's leave these cool cats to rest and we'll head to another type of cat cafe. A 5-minute taxi journey will bring you to Cat's Planet.
Mm, そうですね。へえ。すごい。
As you can see, there are a lot of cat books to read, and many cat souvenirs you can buy. This cafe is a real restaurant, with a full menu, including dinner foods and desserts. I got the fried salmon plate. Yum! And an iced caramel coffee. I've been a few times to order a variety of things. You can even sit at the counter to watch the cats while you eat. After you're finished eating, you can get ready to go into the cat room. You take off your shoes and you wash your hands. Look at that paw! Cat cafes and other animal cafes are all over Japan. Are you interested in animal cafes or Japan? Leave a comment and please like and subscribe.